This is my Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and this phone won't charge when I connect it to the charger. It doesn't show any sign of charging on the screen, no charging logo, nothing happens on the screen. So no matter how long I leave it on charger, it won't charge. It's just stuck on the black screen, nothing happens, it won't turn on, right? And if I try to power on the phone from the power button, the phone won't power on, nothing happens on the screen. It's just completely off, no sign of life, it doesn't vibrate. So no matter how long I hold the power button, the phone won't turn on. So if you are facing this same problem on your Samsung phone, all you want to do is to stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you different things you can try, different methods you can try on your Samsung phone to see any of these methods that will actually work on your Samsung phone and restore it to a working state. All right, so with that being said, let's jump straight into the video, guys. Alright, so we are going to be starting this check from the charging cable and the charging adapter, right? So the first thing we want to do is to inspect the cable and also check the adapter to make sure that the both is working very fine. As you can see, so this cable, there is no cut on the cable, so just check yours to ensure that there is no cut on the charging cable. Right now, the best way you can actually verify this charger is to plug the charger and then connect it to another working Samsung phone to see if the charger charges the phone. So here I'm going to plug it to this phone. As you can see here, guys, this charger is working for this phone, but it doesn't work for this other phone that doesn't power on and doesn't charge, right? So what you should do in this case, that if this is your own case, if the charger is actually charging another phone, then what you should do is that you should try to use a different charging cable and charging adapter to see if that charges and powers on your Samsung phone, right? So if it doesn't work, then you should try out the next method. All right, so if you have used a different charging cable and adapter on your phone and your phone is still not responding, now the next option here is to perform a soft reset on your phone. Now you don't need to panic, because a soft reset is not a hard reset and you are not going to lose all your important data and your files. It's not going to erase your phone storage. Now to perform a soft reset, you need to unplug the charging cable from your phone. Then you want to press these both buttons together, the power button and then the volume down button key together. So you're going to combine these two buttons together and then you wait for at least 10 to 15 seconds. So while you are waiting, once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, then you should go ahead and then release the both buttons and then you wait for the phone to boot into the Android home screen. So let's try this together. So I'm going to combine the two buttons now. So I'll keep holding on the both buttons. I'll keep holding on the both buttons. I'll keep holding on the both buttons. All right, guys, as you can see, so it's up to 15 seconds and the Samsung logo did not appear. So that means the soft reset did not help on this Samsung phone. Now, if it worked for your phone, then you should see the Samsung logo and you should now boot your phone into the Android home screen. All right, so if it didn't work, then you should proceed to the next method, guys. If you have performed a soft reset on your phone and the problem still persists, if your phone still doesn't come on, if it still doesn't power on, now the next option here is to clear the residual power out from your Samsung phone. Now this is one of the most effective way of fixing a Samsung phone that won't turn on, that won't show any sign of charging when you connect the charging cable. Now to clear the residual power, you will need to dismantle the back of your phone, because we need to disconnect the battery from the phone. So if your phone is using an internal battery, you need to dismantle the back of the phone. But if your phone is not using an internal battery, take out the battery and then follow the steps. So So here I'm going to be losing out all these screw points here to be able to access and then detach the battery terminal from the phone. Alright guys, so after losing out all these screws here, I'll proceed to remove the cover. So as you can see, this is the battery connector that is connected to the phone circuit panel. So from here, I'll gently disconnect the battery connector. Alright, so after disconnecting the battery from the phone circuit panel, then what we should do here now is to press and hold on the power button and wait for 30 seconds. You must wait for 30 seconds. So you don't need to release the power button in the process. So just keep holding on the power button until 30 seconds is complete. So I'm going to press and hold it now. Just press and hold. Make sure you don't release the power button. Alright, so after 30 seconds is complete, release the power button and then reattach the battery connector, so the ports. Connect the charging cable now. Alright guys, as you can see here guys, the phone is now charging and the charging logo is up. As you can see here guys, this phone is working now. So I can go ahead and then power on the phone. Alright guys, as you can see, so we have successfully fixed this Samsung phone that is not powering on, that won't charge when you connect the charging cable. Now, like I said, clearing the residual power is one of the most effective way of fixing any Samsung phone that won't turn on, that won't charge when you connect the charging cable. That is just the best way to fix this kind of problem. So if you are encountering this problem, just try this last method on your Samsung phone and you see that your Samsung phone will be fixed. Just remove the battery from the phone, press and hold on the power button, wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, connect the charger, plug the battery to your phone and then power on your Samsung phone, and then you see that your phone will be up and it will be working again. All right, so guys, we have successfully fixed this phone and this phone is now charging. If I connect the charger to the phone, as you can see, the phone is now charging. So guys, let me go ahead and then couple back the phone. Alright guys, so that is a quick one how to fix any Samsung phone that won't turn on, that won't charge when you insert the charging cable. If you find this video interesting, I would like you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if today is your first time here, and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our future tech support video on the channel. Alright, so with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.